Before starting the phantom loading, we have to study the direct loading method for measuring the energy meter.
In case of industry, whenever we test the meter, high rated current flow through this meter. Due to that, there will be some wastage of power. If you want to reduce this power, we have to use this phantom loading. Before understanding the phantom loading, we have to study the energy meter and how we can measure the energy by using energy meter. This is conventional method or direct loading method. In energy meter, we have two coils. One is current coil and another is pressure coil. This coil is connected to the supply voltage 220 volt and we have some load. And suppose 5 ampere current flow this circuit or current coil, then resistance of the current coil is RC equal to 1 ohm and resistance of the pressure coil is RP is 10 kilo ohm. Now if 5 ampere current flow this current coil, that what will be the power consumption by current coil? That is the power consumption in the current coil, that is WC equal to 5, which is 5 ampere current flow in this circuit into 220 volt. Then the power consumption in the current coil is 1100 watt. Now the power consumption in the pressure coil is WP, which is V square by R. V is the 220 volt and R, which is 10 kilo ohm, means then it will be 4.84 watt. The power consumption in the pressure coil is 4.84 watt. Then the total power consumption in the circuit, the total power consumption in the circuit is the power consumption in the current coil plus the power consumption in the pressure coil, means the power consumption in the current coil, which is 1100, plus the power consumption in the pressure coil, which is 4.84. The total power consumption in the circuit, which is 1104.84 watt. Okay. Now that is huge power that will consume. That is very large value of power consumption in the circuit. If you test the energy meter, that is huge power that will consume by the energy meter. If you test the energy meter, now we will try to find out the power can be reduced by the phantom loading. What is phantom loading? What is phantom loading? Phantom loading is the phenomena in which the appliances consume the electricity even when they turn off. Basically, without loading, output loading, we will get the energy consumption. Means in the output section there will be no load, means any load is not connected in the output, but we will get the energy consumption. That's why internally connected a battery or a circuit that is connected to the current coil. Here we will connected 6 volt battery and 5 ampere current flowing through the current coil. Now if we reduce the voltage or supply voltage, which is 220 volt, and if we reduce the voltage from 6 volt to some volt less than 6 volt, then the power consumption may be reduced. So in case of phantom loading, we have to connect the battery, supply is low and amount of current that will flow through the current coil.
Power consumption in the current coil, which is 5 ampere current flow in this circuit and 6 volt battery. Then the total power consumption in the current coil is 30 watt, and the power consumption in the pressure coil, which is WP equal to V square by R. V is the 220 volt and R is the 10 kilo ohm. Then the pressure coil power consumption is 4.84 watt. Then the total power consumption in the circuit is 30 plus 4.84 watt, means the total power consumption is 34.84 watt, which is less than the direct or conventional loading method. That's why we study the phantom loading.